As a homeowner, you know how important it is to maintain your home's exterior. One of the key components of your home's exterior is the roof. In this video, we'll explain how to paint your tile roof and what our recommended approach will be when using a professional to do the inspection, preparation, and painting of your tile roof. Before a tile roof is painted, a thorough inspection is recommended. During the inspection, the overall condition of the roof tiles are evaluated, including the original tile coating, condition of roof ridges, valleys, and flashings. Damaged sections and broken tiles are also identified so it can be replaced or fixed before painting. Once the problems have been identified, maintenance and the correct remedial steps can be followed to prepare the roof for painting. Damaged roof ridge sections are raked open and any loose cement pieces are removed. Exposed roof ridge sections are repacked with fiber cement and any excess is cleared away. To bind dustiness and enhance adhesion, Penetrar is applied. Next, joints and overlaps on the roof ridges are strengthened with StretchSeal before it is overcoated with waterproofing. This helps to seal and secure the ridge line on your roof. Once the roof is prepared, it is cleaned using a high-pressure washer or by hand. This step is crucial because it ensures that the surface is free of any debris or contaminants that could affect the adhesion of the paint. Now, it's time to paint the roof. Start by applying the first coat of M11 Marley Ultra Roof Paint, which is self-priming, so no primer is required when painting concrete tiles for the first time. When applying the first coat of the paint to the roof, make sure that it is evenly applied. After the first coat of paint has dried, apply the second coat of M11 Marley Ultra Roof Paint. This coat ensures that the roof is fully protected and looks great. And that's it. By following our approach to inspect, prepare, and paint a tile roof, you can ensure that your roof stays in great condition for years to come. If you're interested to have your tile roof professionally painted, contact our approved applicator, EcoSeal. Paint products used has been manufactured by Marley Roofing. All the products are available direct to the public through Expert Coatings, your roof waterproofing and paint contractor factory outlet.